Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off password encrypt in Google account full guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to Password Manager. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on Don't Use Screen Lock. Don't use screen lock as a way to unlock your data. If you continue, you may not be able to unlock and strip data like your passkey the next time you need it. So what you need to do is to simply click on OK, and with that, you will have direct access to your password manager on Google account without asking for passkey or lock screen of it features. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off password encrypt in Google account full guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.